Today I'm going to show you how I create my custom icons for all of the things on my desktop. I create all of my icon graphics on Illustrator, so we're going to start one from scratch. I need one for my audio icon, so I'm just going to go ahead and type in microphone icon, and let's look for one that looks good. I kind of want a circle one to matte. Oh, that one's pretty simple. I'll take my icon, the JPEG that I drug, create a new artboard so they're all the same size, drag it over, image trace, adjust my settings, expand, and then I could easily have taken out all the white, but I didn't think about that. Take out what I need. I want to change the color, so I'll double click it, make it green, and then resize it so it fits in my artboard. When I export this, I want to make sure that I export it as a transparent PNG or with a transparent background. Artboard 6, microphone, transparent, okay. And then it's on my desktop. I have a bunch of automators, quick actions, and the specific one I have is turning it into an icon. Mac uses ICNS as their icon extension. So I'm gonna right click the quick actions, PNG to ICNS, and then it's gonna work in the background and it's gonna create an icon. And then I'm gonna go to my application, right click, get info, and then I'm gonna drag my new icon over to the top left hand corner. And now I have some new icons.